Trying to learn Japanese? Get the lessons that are perfect for you. Click here to get your free lifetime account.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide.
In this lesson, you learn the particle de.
This particle is often referred to as the location particle or means particle because it's mainly used to mark locations, the means of doing something, materials something is made from, or a reason for something. Let's first see the location marking function.
In this case, the particle de marks where an action takes place.
Let's see how it functions in a sentence.
東京で会いましょう.
This means, let's meet in Tokyo, or see you in Tokyo. Let's break it down. First, what is see you?
会いましょう.
How do we express the location in Tokyo?
東京で
Notice that the location is followed by the particle.
で 東京で
Be careful. This particle can't be used with the verbs that express existence.
Right. You cannot use de with the verbs あります、います、住んでいます and 勤めています. The location for those verbs has to be marked by に.
Let's take a look at a few more examples.
学校で日本語を勉強しています.
I study Japanese at school.
スーパーマーケットでパンを買います.
I buy bread at the supermarket.
北海道でスキーをしました.
I went skiing in Hokkaido. As a means marker, this particle indicates the means or material we use to do something. This is the equivalent of by or with in English. It can also mark the material something is made of or from. It's the equivalent of with, from, or out of in English.
De is also used to mark the means of transportation.
Let's start with some examples with means of transportation.
Sure. 電車 is train. So, 電車で is by train. バス is bus. So, バスで is by bus.
How do you say, I go to school by bus?
私はバスで学校に行きます.
Now, let's see the particle when marking the instrument or tool used to do something.
私は包丁で果物を切ります.
This means, I cut fruit with a knife. The means is expressed by the phrase, with a knife, which in Japanese is
包丁で
Also, languages are a tool, a communication tool, so we can easily guess that we need to use the same particle when saying in English or in Japanese. Risa, how do you say, please say it in English?
英語で言ってください.
In English is
英語で
Like we mentioned before, this particle also marks the material something is made of or from. It's equivalent to with, from, or out of in English. Let's hear an example.
私は木でテーブルを作りました.
This means, I made a table out of wood.
木 is tree or wood. So, 木で means from wood or out of wood.
Let's take a look at a few more examples with the same particle used as means marker.
小麦でできています.
It is made with wheat.
フライパンでオムレツを作ります.
I make an omelet with a frying pan.
寿司を手で食べます.
I eat sushi with my hands. In this lesson, you learned about the particle
で
Be sure to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss all of the Japanese lessons that are coming soon. And if you want to learn even faster, go to JapanesePod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account to unlock the ultimate Japanese particle guide, the complete video course on particles. Click the link in the lesson description to get your free lifetime account right now. In the next lesson, you'll learn about the particle
の
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye!